This is an AI-generated instructional short of GitHub Copilot for skeptics who still think AI is overrated. In this session, I explore the real strengths and limitations of GitHub Copilot, aiming to provide a straightforward, demo-driven perspective. Whether you're doubtful of AI hype or just curious, we break down what this AI coding assistant can actually do today. You often hear that AI will change everything. It's almost a mantra now. Everyone expects AI to radically reshape how we work and live. But amid the hype, there are also moments that reveal cracks, like AI-generated content that looks promising at first but ends in chaos. This illustrates how expectations can outrun reality. A popular meme jokes about AI art replacing designers, showing AI awkwardly accepting a handshake job. While AI's image generation has improved, especially rendering tricky details like hands, it still turns out many low-quality images lacking real depth or educational value. This reflects the mixed maturity of AI outputs. Predictions about AI replacing developers are wild and frequent. Industry leaders forecast mid-level engineers might be replaced by 2025, or even 90% of developers within months. These bold claims come with some quick real-world examples, like entire apps built with zero handwritten code. These examples hint at AI's growing power, but don't tell the full story yet. A viral social media post showcased a full SaaS app built entirely by AI with no manual coding. This marks a shift from AI as a helper to AI as the actual builder, with such AI-built products even generating revenue. The reality is, this is no sci-fi fantasy. It's happening right now, and the tech is gaining real commercial traction. Fast forward 3 days, and we see the beginning of challenges that come with AI-built projects, especially from non-technical creators. This time, Jump sets up an important lesson about unexpected issues and the complexity of adopting AI coding tools without sufficient understanding. A follow-up post reveals a non-technical user's struggles post-launch. API limits exceeded, subscriptions bypassed, and strange database actions. Overwhelmed, the creator paused sharing publicly. This highlights the hidden risks and community challenges when building with AI, especially for those new to coding. You've likely seen the Gartner hype cycle diagram in many presentations. It maps technology evolution from innovation trigger to peak of inflated expectations, through a trough of disillusionment, and finally climbing toward productivity. AI's rise followed this pattern with ChatGPT sparking huge hype. Today, many remain somewhere between hype and realism. Our goal is to help you find the practical middle ground where AI genuinely boosts productivity without illusions about replacing humans. I used to describe AI coding as just an autocomplete on steroids. That's partly true. AI predicts the next word, but this grossly oversimplifies it. In reality, it builds an abstract internal model reasoning about concepts to generate sophisticated code. This sets the stage for our first demo, which shows how AI integrates with tools like Visual Studio Code to assist meaningfully in real coding workflows. A common hesitation is that explaining tasks to AI takes longer than doing them yourself. But investing time upfront in clear instructions pays off by reducing costly back and forth later. This shift is crucial for working effectively with AI assistants or any collaborative tool, leading to smarter, faster results. There's a widespread perception that AI produces buggy or inconsistent code, like a junior dev who's unreliable. This is partly true if you dump code requests without context, but by setting clear instructions and using features like intermediate saves, you control quality and maintain clean, reusable components. For example, I instruct AI to refactor a header into its own React component following team standards, demonstrating how to tame AI's output to fit your workflow. Another myth is that AI is only useful for beginners. In truth, experienced developers gain the most by using AI as a skill amplifier rather than a crutch. Beginners who rely heavily on AI risk reinforcing errors, but skilled devs use AI to handle complex investigations and automate routine but complex tasks. For instance, using agent mode, I had AI open a browser, analyze why battle.net metadata wasn't loading correctly, then automatically file a well-documented GitHub issue. This shows AI as an intelligent assistant solving real problems beyond simple code generation. Some dismiss AI coding tools as mere fads like Beanie Babies, but that's wrong. Copilot evolved over years with deep research, improving accuracy from 70% to over 90%. It fits seamlessly into developer workflows with inline suggestions, not distracting pop-ups. Recent demos have shown AI completing real code tasks with human oversight. accelerating work and letting developers focus on higher value activities. This isn't hype, it's a fundamental shift in programming. Who benefits from AI coding tools? The individual developer or the organization? AI isn't replacing humans, but assisting them. The code AI generates undergoes review before production. Recent research looking at work design reveals how tools like Copilot fit into both individual roles and broader company success. A study called DevX in Action examines developer experience through the lens of work design theory. This research explains how the structure and flow of development work affect productivity and satisfaction, providing a framework to understand AI tools' impacts beyond just lines of code. The full study is available online for those interested in deeper insights into this important area. Cognitive load is a key concept here, broken into intrinsic, extrinsic, and germane loads. Intrinsic load means the actual coding effort, which AI can reduce by autofilling snippets. Extrinsic load involves gathering info like file locations or syntax rules, which AI helps organize. Germane load is integrating this knowledge to solve problems, where AI now provides contextual answers, like pinpointing components or summarizing site architecture. Advanced Copilot features automate entire tasks and summarize work and pull requests, helping developers focus effort efficiently. AI makes your workflow smoother without replacing your judgment. This freedom is especially valuable when interruptions hit. Instead of dropping everything for urgent requests, you can delegate tasks to AI assistants like Copilot and pick up progress later. This reduces stress and lets you maintain focus on meaningful work, turning Copilot into a helpful sidekick that manages distractions and keeps your momentum going. If you're stuck doubting AI's value, understanding the hype cycle can help. We're climbing toward the productive plateau, where AI handles tedious tasks and frees you for creative challenges. This balanced view helps you see AI as a tool to enhance your work rather than replace you. There are plenty of deeper resources available to support this journey, so if you want to explore further, consider watching the full demos and sessions. Thanks for sticking with this session on AI-assisted coding. If you want to dive deeper into how Copilot works and see its capabilities in action, make sure to check out the full presentation and demos. Meanwhile, explore the resources available to reinforce your learning and let this be a start to your ongoing journey with AI tools and coding.